Hey guys, Richie here, and in today's video I will explain the somewhat simple processes of how the cholera toxin disrupts cell signaling. Before I explain the whole process of how the cholera toxin can disrupt cell signaling, let me tell you what it's about. The cholera toxin comes from a bacteria called Vibrio cholerae, and it comes from infected food or liquid usually contaminated from infected feces. It can also come from raw or undercooked fish or plants with infected water. It's a rare occasion for someone to be diagnosed with cholera in an industrialized country, however, it's still a possibility. Humans that are mostly diagnosed with this pathogen is usually who live in a third world country without access to purified water. And now we will go through the process of how the cholera toxin can affect cell signaling. And as you see here, the Vibrio cholerae releases the ligand cholera toxin, which goes through the digestive system and attaches to a receptor protein called the ganglioreceptor. The toxin is then engulfed by the process of endocytosis and is transported in a vesicle to the G protein. After traveling through the cytoplasm, it proceeds to bind and modify a G protein, where it activates the G protein through an ADP ribosylation reaction that acts to lock the G protein in its GTP-bound form. After that, the G protein will proceed to move to the adenylate cyclase, where it will be stimulated by the activated G protein and produce cyclic AMP. Due to the G protein being stuck in its GTP-bound form, it will continue to stimulate the adenylate cyclase to produce cyclic AMP to high levels. When high levels of cyclic AMP are reached, it will activate a cellular response that will release salt and water from small intestinal cells. And after the cellular response of salt and water being released from the small intestinal cells, excess water and salt will form in the lumen, and thus causing dehydration and watery diarrhea. And now, I hope that you understand how the cholera toxin can affect cell signaling. Thank you for watching, have a good day, and peace.